So in my ramen, I like to use tofu or shrimp. So that's what I'm doing now is I'm preparing the tofu first. If you want to use chicken or pork or something else, this will be the time to prepare it because you're going to make it separately. So I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and then my secret sauce, peanut sauce, on my tofu that I've cubed. I just use, I think, one block of tofu and cut it up into cubes. And I'm just mixing up all the seasoning and sauce because I'm going to cook it in a frying pan on the stove. And all the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. Now I'm frying my tofu in a frying pan on medium high heat in coconut oil, and I just cook it on one side for maybe about 5 minutes or until the bottom is golden brown, and then I flip it over and it gives it kind of like a crispy outside without it being fried, and this is what it looks like when it's done. Now it's time to make the actual broth, so I'm adding finely chopped ginger and garlic in a pan on medium heat with some coconut oil, and I just let it cook for about 5 minutes. And now I'm adding in soy sauce and mirin. Those two ingredients are what really give it a more authentic taste instead of it just tasting like chicken broth or like the seasoning packets that come with the ramen noodles. And I let the mirin and soy sauce cook for another 2 to 5 minutes just to let them kind of get the garlic and ginger flavor. And then I'm adding 4 cups of chicken stock to the pot, and I'm going to cover it with a lid until the broth starts boiling or bubbling, and then take the lid off and let it cook for another 15 minutes without the lid. Once my ramen broth is done, I'm serving it in a bowl with just a regular pack of ramen noodles, some boiled eggs, green onions, and tofu, and it's so good. It's a simple meal, but it's so delicious.